Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video we are going to look at one of the most commonly asked questions. Every student has got this question, that can we add extra words in Write From Dictation? If we add extra words, do we lose points in writing? Is there any negative marking? Will we still get the scores for the correct words? I have been getting this question from many years now. I have told many students, but this time I thought that we are going to in-depth research and experiments and then tell you what the results are, right? So what is the question? Can we add extra words in Write From Dictation? Are we penalized for adding extra words in Write From Dictation? How many words can we add? To test this, we asked 5 of our tutors to take the real PTE test, PTE exam. What they did is, what the aim of the exam was, to attempt the speaking module just to see how much points you get from speaking in your reading. And another thing which we were testing, it was that, are the templates still working? Second, we asked them to attempt Write From Dictation, mess up the sequence, add as many as extra words you can. For example, the sentence was, I am going to London. So I asked them add extra words in the beginning as well. Then write 2 words from the sentence, add extra words, 2 words from the sentence, add extra words, and add a lot of extra words at the end as well. Just to see that if you add too many extra words, do you still get the scores or not? And the results are out, right? What all of them they did in the test, only attempted speaking section, skipped writing, skipped reading, skipped whole of listening except for Write From Dictations. Some of them got 3 dictations, some of them got 4 dictations. I'll share the screen. I'll show you what scores they have got, and then we'll tell you more details about it. So if you can see, the first tutor got 88 in speaking, 33 in reading, which is from read aloud. Now from speaking and Write From Dictation collectively, because speaking also gives you points in your listening, right? He has got 58 in listening and 44 in writing. He got 3 Write From Dictations, which were comparatively 7 to 8 words and maximum 10 words. Second tutor, what he has got, 62 in listening and 46 in writing. 62 in listening, 44 in writing. 58 in listening, 42 in writing. Now, many of you will be confused that why someone has got 45 in writing, someone has got 46 in writing, someone has got 42 in writing. See, the marking contribution for Write From Dictation is same, that you get 1 point in listening, 1 point in writing, but the exam pattern for every student is different. Let's say if I go for the test, I get 3 Write From Dictation, 9 words each. And you go for the exam, you get 4 Write From Dictation, 12 words each. Obviously, what will happen? The weightage of your Write From Dictation contribution to writing per word will go down. So the exam pattern makes the marking contribution a bit different. But what we can take out of this video, let's say if there was negative marking, or if you mess up the sequence, you would not have got scores in writing and listening. No tutor would have got more than 40 in listening and more than 10 in writing, because speaking does not gives you any points in writing. So the minimum tutor has got 45, maximum he has got is 46. So what we can take out of this video is that yes, you can add extra words. Second, is sequence important? Not really. Third, can you add as many as extra words? You can, but given that, I won't suggest you that keep on adding extra words. What I would suggest, you have to manage your time as well. Let's say you get 3 dictations and you spend 4 minutes on first dictation, and then you don't have time for the other dictations. What I would suggest, write as many as words you can, and then if you have any doubt that yes, if you missed a word, if you're not sure about spellings, you can add extra words as well. But don't just keep on writing for no reason. You'll just waste your time. Obviously, there's no penalty for that, but I don't want you to waste a lot of time as well. Now, to wrap up, this is a short video, but what we get out of this video, understand the sentence wherever you are doubt about articles, about singular or plural, or if you are doubtful about the spellings. Let's say you don't know the spellings for London, or you don't know if London L should be capitalized or it should be small. You can write London L with capital and small as well. Whichever word will be correct, computer is going to pick it up or mark it, and the word which you have written incorrectly will not be penalized. That is it from this video. If you think the video was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. Write from dictation, don't worry, you can add extra words. That's why all the tutors have got 42, 44, 46 in writing and more than 58 in listening as well, because speaking will give you around 40 points in listening, and the remaining points are from write from dictation. And in writing as well, you have got 42, means write from dictation has contributed heavily towards the writing module. If you need any help, do contact us on the numbers below. We have got our branches in India, Australia, and Nepal as well. We do provide online classes. If you need any help, you can contact us. To practice, you can go on languageacademy.com.au or download the LAPT exam practice app. That's it. I hope the video was helpful, and I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.